So far, I'm not gonna lie, I like her, but I don't like her enough to keep her. It's just not, y'all know me, I love my full wigs. I gotta stop, when they say 150, I just need to exit out because it's just, I'm never satisfied with those wigs. Hello, beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is DH Marie and I'm super duper excited because I have another wig review. This is the Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace chocolate brown hair with highlights. Oh, y'all know I love me some highlights. Loose wave wig with face framing bangs. So it has the face framing bangs. Let's open this package up. Is this the hair that was smelling weird? I hope not. Because I think I might like her the best one already. I could tell. Oh! That was it. It smells like fish. Like, it's not even like a weird smell. Like, this hair smells like fish. Like it was in a fish market or something. I really, yeah. Why would they do this? Why would they do this to me like that? Why would they do this to me like that, y'all? Like, I just feel so violated. Okay, so this is the wig. I will say, I like the color. I definitely like the highlights. I love a chocolate brown because I always do black. I love black. Like, I love the jet black look. I just think it looks so sophisticated and so sexy. But I want to switch it up, and I think that this is great for the fall and the holidays coming up, especially Thanksgiving. So let's see it. Let's see what she's gonna look like. She is shedding a little bit. I just ran my fingers through her, and I got about 4 strands so far, and I'm not even doing it hard. I'm just like breezing my fingers through it. So she looks like she's a shedder. We could talk about the lace real fast. The lace, it looks like what I'm used to. Y'all know this lace right here that I have on, it had a wig cap that was sewn onto it. Like, this doesn't have anything. It's just the lace, that's it. So it'll be interesting to see which one looks more natural. It has one comb in the back. It does not have the drawstring feature that I love because I feel like it gives it that nice snug look. So yeah, I already feel like I don't know what to expect. I hope that I'm not returning all 3 of these wigs, but we're about to find out. We're gonna find out. Okay, so we will see. It does not have any other combs. It's literally just, this is what the inside of the hair looks like. It has the one comb in the back, and that's it, and the adjustable straps. But it does not have the drawstring feature that I love, and it is only 150 density. So I'll be right back, you guys. I'm gonna try her on. If we like her, let's figure out a name. Let me know what you guys think. What are your first impressions of this wig? I like the color, but I think that's about it. Hello, beauties, I am back. This is her. She is definitely thicker than she appears. She looks thicker than the last wig that I have on. And it's interesting because they're the same density. This one is also 20 inches. It appears true to length. The other one was not that. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I like her, but I don't like her enough to keep her. It's just not, y'all know me, I love my full wigs. I gotta stop, when they say 150, I just need to exit out because it's just, I'm never satisfied with those wigs. It's been a couple of times where it has, but more often than not, I'm not. So, but what do y'all think? What do y'all think? I definitely love the color. The color is nice for the holidays. I'll show you guys, let me turn around. This hair also sheds a lot, y'all. When I was in the back, I had to adjust the straps to give her a more snug look because she kept coming back and my natural hair was showing, and I was like, oh no, that's not gonna work. But yeah, when I adjusted those straps and I was just playing with her, like, she was shedding everywhere. Like, I've never seen, unless it was a curly wig, shed that much. So I don't know if it was because they colored it or what, but yeah, I can't deal with the shedding. So this will be going back. I do like the color though. I like the color, but I can't deal with the shedding. So I will be returning this one. Beauties, that is this wig. Let me know, rate this wig. Would you wear her? Let me know what you guys think. Y'all know I love when we connect. I'm also thinking about, y'all gotta let me know, when do y'all want me to go live? Like, what do y'all want to talk about? Y'all want to talk about relationships, dating? Y'all know I'm about to move to Texas. That's not gonna be until the summer though. I'm staying here in Atlanta until probably like June, July. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I heard so many great things about Houston. It is gonna be bittersweet because my mom lives in Atlanta and I love my mom more than anything. Like, she makes me so happy. But we will see, you guys. This is this hair, and let me know.